Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to decorate my December monthly in my catch-all planner, but I do want to show you the newest releases that are available in my shop now. So let's go through them. I've got my little bag of tools here. Okay, so these are the ones I'm going to use for my plan with me right now. I'm actually going to use Christmas Quotes 2 and Christmas Treats. So this is Christmas Treats 1. I think I'm just going to use the small stickers, but let me go ahead and show you the whole collection that's coming out, or that's already out now. So this is Christmas Treats, and we have a matching sticker kit, and I have decided to take the decorative pieces off of my boxes in my kits. That is only because I tend to personally not even use the stickers that have like little decorative pieces in them. I like to have just plain boxes on my spread. So I think I'm just going to discontinue putting, like the little decorative things inside the boxes, unless you guys absolutely tell me that you have to have them. So this is Christmas Treats with the matching sticker kit, and then this, I actually printed it wrong, so this one is just Christmas Treats. And then we have the same kind of design, but this one is gnomes. So look how cute those are, and they all match, all the same colors. It's all basically the same design, but there is a separate kit that matches the gnomes. Now, as far as colorful boxes for these two designs, you have just two colors, and so these are available in the large and the small. So we have this really pretty teal, and then the pink, which matches all of this. So it's all just like one big collection. And then we have Warm Wishes. I love the like the teal green or Tiffany blue with the kind of pinkish red. I love those colors. And then we have the matching sticker kit and colorful boxes. And so I don't use the small colorful boxes much anymore, so I didn't even print those out for me to show you, but your boxes are available in small as well. And then we have Farmhouse Christmas. I love the reds, the blacks, and the buffalo plaid with this really pretty light blue. So we have that. We have the kit, and then the two colorful boxes. Okay, and now we have Joyous Day. So these just have really pretty greens, like a light pink, some red poinsettias, and then there's little balls, like little cotton balls in there as well. So our matching sticker kit has the pink, the green, and then I added in the red. And so your colorful boxes just have the pink and green. And then the last one that is like the floral or decorative design that is releasing, or that's already released now, is called Ice Florals. So we have this real pretty like glittery blue, some silvers, just really pretty, I don't know, winter looking florals. We have the matching kit and then the matching boxes. Alright, and then we have two quotes. So I already showed you Christmas Quotes 2, and then we have Christmas Quotes 1. Okay, so let's get into the plan with me. And then I didn't show you like the small stickers, but all of those stickers come in small sticker sheets as well. I always use clear, but they're available in the white matte and the white removable, except for the colorful boxes do not come in clear. Okay, so let's get started. Now, I don't know, I might actually want to use a large sticker sheet. I'm not sure what I'm going to do in my sidebar here, but actually I just had a thought. So I might, for up in this top left corner, y'all know I like doing my corners first. I think I might use some of these snowflakes. Just kind of do this up in the top with the snowflakes. I'm trying to just use like a small sticker sheet and see how I can, if I can do that. And I do have my light a little bit further above my desk, so I apologize if my video is darker. With this ulcer on my, or not ulcer, the scar on my cornea, lights, when there's like a bright light, it makes my vision really blurry, like there's a halo over in my visual area, I guess you would say. So I raised my light up quite a bit to kind of try to get rid of that that glare or that halo of light. So hopefully the video is not like too dark. Okay, so I decided I don't like the small stickers in the top corner, so I'm going to grab my large sticker sheet here, wherever it is. Maybe I'll use the gnomes. Why don't we use the gnomes? No, I think I'm going to use these. Okay, so we're going to use the same stickers, just in the larger sheet. I think I would feel better with like the bigger stuff up here in the top. So I don't know, I kind of want to do like some ornaments like on the top instead of doing the snowflakes. So I'm going to white out this notes box or wording, and then I'm going to just kind of put some Christmas ornaments up here at the top, just kind of in random places. And then I may use some small ones, which I actually off camera put in some small ones and I didn't like the way they looked. And I don't think I'm going to use these. The only thing I don't like about Undo, if you've ever used Undo, it does kind of remove some of the sticky, and then like, so if it was a white sticker you wouldn't notice, but since I use clear stickers, I can see where it removes some of the stickiness off of the back of the sticker, and then I can, like, whenever I go to rub it down, it doesn't rub down as well or as good as I like it to. So I don't know. Now, I don't know how I should space these. I may end up not liking this at all, but we'll see. Alright, let's use... And actually, on the sticker, there is a little... You can't even see it, but there's a little string that's supposed to be colored. Not string. Yeah, I guess it is a string. Supposed to be colored, like hanging the ornaments down. But you can't see it, so I'm going to have to go in and draw in some with a pen, which is okay. I'm okay doing that. But I'm going to do that so that you can tell that it's actually ornaments kind of hanging. I think I'm going to put this one a little bit further up. That's cute. And then maybe... I don't know. Maybe I'll just kind of quit with that and then do some on the other side. Let's go ahead and do the other side while I'm here. I think I'm going to put this pink one up there. I'm not going to white out anything. It's my monthly. I'm not really worried about that. I don't know which one I'm going to use now. I think I'll use this pink one. And then maybe a small one. Let's see, this one. Okay, so I need to cut these off here, and then I think off camera I'm going to draw in the little stems, or the little, not stems, but like little strings for the ornaments to hang off of. But let's go ahead, before I do that, and do something down here at the bottom. I think I'm going to use this cute little pink gingerbread house down at the bottom. Like I said, not going to white out anything. I'm just going to go with it today. Okay. And let's see. I don't know what else to put over here. I really do like the little gingerbread guy or girl, whatever it is. So I think I'll use the smaller one. Let's put the other gingerbread house on the other side over here. I think I'm just going to put it on Christmas Eve. And then I do want a quote, so let me go ahead and grab my quote. Let's see. I think I'll do Merry Christmas over here and then Christmas Blessings up top. I think that'll be cute. And I think I'm going to pair it with a tree. So I'll put the Christmas tree there and then Christmas Blessings here. That's cute. And then we'll go over here and do Merry Christmas because this is Christmas Eve. Alright, so far so cute. Okay. Now, what do I want to do? I really love this like decorative washi or like border that I've got here. So I think I'm going to put my 2 pages together, and I'm going to take this decorative sticker strip here, and I'm going to put it down at the bottom with the like on both pages. Just continuing from one page to the other. I think this will be really cute. And I do kind of want to get it sort of kind of centered. It doesn't have to be perfect, but as close as I can get it. Alright, and then I'm just going to cut my 2 pages. And trim off the excess down here. I have been working on planners. I do have right-handed dashboard and left-handed dashboard layouts for A5, half letter, classic, big, and I'm also trying to work on getting minis done. So we'll see if I can't get start getting mini happy planners available for everybody. We'll see how that goes. Like I said in one of my last videos, planners are like bottom of the priority list just because, you know, stickers do much better in my shop than planners do. So yeah, planners are back burner. I think I want to put a couple of these little gifts down here because my washi is like cut off, like it's obvious that it's cut off. So I think that I'm going to just kind of play that off with a couple Christmas gifts, just so you can't really tell that it's such a blunt cut off line there. You see that where the design is cut off? So I think I'm just going to kind of put a couple little gifts down there, and I'm going to do the same thing over here with my gingerbread house. I think it'll look okay with the gifts. Because that is Christmas Day. I think I'm going to put the shorter one on this side though. I don't know how I want to lay it. We'll do that like that. Okay, super cute. Alright, so now I still have plenty of stickers left. But what I want to do is, since I didn't cut my colorful boxes for me to use like my small ones, I'm going to try, I really need to use like my Happy Planner stickers because I have so many of them. I keep going back and forth on whether or not I want to do a destash, but like that is, oh, that's a whole lot of work. So these I think came out of a student sticker book. This is like one of those do-it-yourself or make-it-yourself sticker books. So I just took a lot of sticker books apart and took out colorful boxes. So this is like my colorful boxes collection. And I want to really try to use like some of my collection here. So these came out of a student sticker book. I'm not sure which one, but I'm going to use these. And so I don't really have anything on these particular days. I'm just using the boxes as decoration, just because. So let's see what I want to do here. I think we're going to put, I don't know. I don't want to really put like this box down here beside this one. So maybe I'll just do the pink beside that minty color. And then we'll put this one here. And then I kind of want to go in with some of my little candies. So some of these little candies. So we have like this couple suckers. So let's see. I think I'm going to use 2, even though they're the same. I'm going to put 2 like over here. And then I might use both of these candies to put on like the side of this box. I think I'm going to cut this pink one just a little bit so that it kind of sits off the edge of that box. And then I'm going to flip-flop and rotate. Since I do have 2 of these sticker sheets, I'm going to try to do like the same thing, just flip-flop it over here on this page so that my pages are pretty similar. I should probably be using my tweezers, but it's okay. Uh-oh. I want to move that just a little bit. I don't like the way it's positioned. I kind of want it to lay this way some more. Okay. And then we'll take the 2 little suckers off of this page. And do the same thing that I did on the other side, basically the same thing. All right, super, super cute. I love these stickers. They are adorable. I really want to use the little gingerbread man, but I don't know where to put him. Just trying to find somewhere to put it. Alright, I think I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to put it in between 2 days, just in case I need to plan anything on either one of these 2 days. And then I'm going to go up here because now I feel like I need to add a couple more things. And I'm going to add just a couple of gifts. I think I want this one and the tall one. And I'm just going to put them up here so that I feel like the whole spread kind of works together. All right, that's really cute. I think that is so cute. I love these stickers. I can't wait to use the gnomes in another spread. So I think that's it. Y'all already saw like the preview, the sneak peek from the release that just happened. So hopefully you have placed your orders. And if not, go ahead and get that done. There is a 20% off coupon in the email that I sent out. So if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And make sure that you're following me on Instagram if you're over on Instagram. So I think I'll film a couple more videos. So I'll see y'all on the next one. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye, guys.